Okay, so now that we've done our back to back, the next question is to say compare the two sets of marks. So now it wants us to compare. Now when it says compare the two sets of marks, you're going to mention what is happening, but the things that you need to put, and that is going to be the lowest marks and the highest marks. So, and then you also need to put the mode. So let's go and let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm going to say the lowest marks. Okay, I'm going to say lowest marks. Let me say the lowest marks. The lowest marks are, what is the lowest mark for Kim? It is 40, right? Okay, so are 40 for Kim. And for maths, what's the lowest mark? 23, okay? This one's the first one. So, and 23 for maths, okay? And then I can say the highest marks, okay? The highest marks are, here we can see there's a 92, so 92 for KM and 85 for maths. Okay, now we've talked about the lowest marks, the highest marks. Now we'll see which one is more spread out. When we want to see which one is more spread out, we see which one covers more values. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, this one maths is more spread out. Okay, so you can say that the marks for maths, the marks for maths are more spread out, or are more variable, or more spread out, than the marks for, Chem. Now, this is what you'd have. And then now you can put again, the last bit of information is who performed better. Okay, who is it that did a better job? And it looks like Cam did a better job because the marks are lower in this. Because the lower you go, the higher the marks, right? It's like these marks are better than the ones that are in the 10s and 20s. So basically, you can say that it appears as if the students performed better in Chem. The students performed, okay, performed better in Chem than in maths. Okay, seems as if the students perform better in Chem than in maths. Okay, although this depends, although this depends on the marking standards. On the marking standards for each subject. Okay, marking standards for each of the subjects. And then you are done. This is going to be the end, and that's it. Okay, you've done your comparison. You've talked about the lowest marks, the highest marks, the spreading of the data, and then who is better. Okay, who performed better. And so you are done. This is going to be it. Goodbye for now.